If you are new to trading and confused by all the buttons on MetaTrader 5, then worry less. In today's video, I'll show you how to use MetaTrader 5 like a pro. From setting stop loss, take profit, setting break-even, taking partials, setting correct lot size, and also opening and closing of trades. Also setting buy and sell orders. Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, this channel is all about helping you master trading step by step. So let's get started. If you don't have MetaTrader 5, you can always install it on Play Store. Otherwise, opening on MetaTrader 5, this is our interface. On the bottom left, you can see followed by charts. So I'm on the charts option, followed by trades, followed by history. So if you want to add currency or metals to the watch list, so this is my watch list. You click on quartz, then click on this plus icon here. So clicking on this plus icon, we have a lot of symbols you can add. So from Forex, indices, metals, and Nasdaq. So clicking on Forex, you can see a lot of currency pairs to be traded, but the popular one is Euro USD. So this pair is already added. So for my case, I will add gold. So gold is SAU USD. So you click on SAU USD. So the gold is also added. So now coming to this section, so you can see that it is added. So I have two currency. I have two pairs on my watch list, gold and Euro USD. Another thing is coming to the chart interface. All you can see is all these candles, and these candles represents time. In my case, this is a 5-minute candle. So as you can see here, so it is a 5-minute candle. What it means is it takes 5 minutes for this candle to close. If you want to switch the time frame, so you click on the center of the screen, and all you can see is all these time frames. So this is 15, 30, 1 hour, and 4 hour, day 1, week 1, and monthly. So if I click on 30 minutes, this candle takes 30 minutes to close. So all this is very crucial for your analysis. So you can easily switch from each time frame by just clicking on the center of the screen, and so you can find different time frames, or you can switch it from this side here, whatever works for you. So coming to this side, you can see lot sizes. So this is where you switch your lot sizes. So here we have different lot sizes. You can right click on these icons, or you can delete this one and edit to your best icon depending on your capital. Once your lot sizes setting is done, so here you can see this red and blue icon here. So these ones are used for opening trade positions. So this sell one is used to open a sell order, and the buy one is used to open a buy order. So if you want to sell or buy, you just click. So in my case, so let us just click on both so that we can illustrate. So I have opened a buy and a sell order. Once you opened a buy and a buy or a sell order depending on your analysis, what's remaining now is for you to set stop loss and take profit. So stop loss helps you to safeguard your capital in case your analysis goes against you. So after the market hits stop loss, it will automatically stop. And also, if the market favors you and you hit take profit, it will stop with a profit after hitting stop loss. So to set stop loss or take profit, we have two options. So the first option is you click on these orders. So on my case, I opened two orders to illustrate better, but normally we open just one order, either a buy or a sell. So in this case, you click on these lines. So clicking on these lines, we are given these icons at the bottom. So after clicking on these lines, you can see stop loss, take profit and close. So setting stop loss, you click on stop loss at the center. So clicking on stop loss, this line pops up. So you can drag this line to your desired position. So in my case, let me set it to 49,999. So you can see this blue arrow here. So this arrow, you click on it, it will take you to modify. So you click on modify to make sure that the stop loss is set. So clicking on modify, our stop loss is now set. Also, you can, so to set the take profit, you click on either the stop loss or the sell order itself. So clicking on the order, you are given take profit. So take profit is always on the other side. So this one, you drag it to your desired position also. So on my case, let me just put it on 50-20. So hope you can see. So also you click on this blue arrow here. So it will take you to modify. So you modify it also. So our stop loss and take profit are set. So the next stop, the other option of setting stop loss or take profit. So you click on this icon here on trades. So clicking on trades, we can see our positions. So the stop loss and take profit was on a buy order. So we can set a stop loss and take profit on sell order. So this is the other option. So swiping this order to the left, so we swipe it this way to the left, you can see these multiple orders, multiple icons, I mean. So clicking on this one, you can see stop loss here, take profit here. So this is our take profit. So to modify this one, you need to find the exact position where you can set your stop loss and take profit for the sell order. So in my case, I will just use so because it is a sell order, our stop loss will be up. So let me just set it on 50.11. So I want it on 50.11 and take profit on 49.90. So swiping it to the left and clicking on this icon, so our take profit stop loss is on 50.11 and take profit is 49.90. And then you make sure you click on modify. So clicking on modify, our stop loss and take profit are now set, as you can see. So this is our stop loss and take profit are now showing on the screen. But in case you want to shift it, you can just click on the stop loss itself and move it to the upside, or depending on your new analysis, so and modify. That is the way of shifting it. So now after your trades have run for a while, the remaining thing now is to do trade management. To do trade management, you have two options. You either set break even or take partial profits. So these are two different things. Setting break even is shifting your stop loss to a point where if the market reverses, you will still close in profit, while taking partials is closing the part of the trade without shifting your stop loss or take profit. So let me show you how you set your break even. So setting your break even, so you click on the stop loss order. So clicking on the stop loss order, you can be able to drag. So to set break even, you drag to the above your entry. So in my case, I'll put to 5,002. So after dragging it to that point, I now click on this arrow in order to modify. So I modify. So in this case, if the market reverses and okay, so my network is a little bit slow, but don't worry. So I drag it to 5,002 and modify. So in this case, this is now break even. So in case the market comes, retraces to 5,002 and closes, I will still be in profit. So that is the simplest way of explaining this. While taking partials is closing half of the trades. So let me show you how to take partials. So you just swipe on this position to the left. So you swipe this screen to the left and click on this icon. So clicking on this icon, not that one, you click on this one. So clicking on this one, so you close. If you want to take partial, close partials, so you modify your lot sizes. To take partial, your lot size must be above 0.01. So clicking on this part, I can modify this one because this one is 0.1 lot. If I want to close half of this trade, half of 0.1 is 0.05. So as you can see, it was 0.1, and you can see if I'm to close all this position, I will close with a profit of 34. But if I'm to take partials, I will close I will close with a profit of 17. Hope you can see. So you can edit to whatever profit you want to take with. So even 0.02, so you just use this icon to edit. So in my case, let me close it, this one, with profit of 10. So I click close with profit of 8. So it is now done. As you can see, my positions are still running, but the lot size have changed, as you can see. So the lot size have changed. So this one was unmodified. So it was initially on 0.1, but I closed on partials. I closed 0.03. So that is one way of closing partials. Otherwise, if you want to close all your positions at once, you can just click on these three dots here. So clicking on these three dots, we can see close all positions, close profitable positions. If we had a losing position, it will have showed on close losing position. So you can close all positions. When the market is volatile, it is very crucial. You can just on one tap close many entries, or you come to this side and close positions. So we have many options. Or come to chart section and click on the order. So clicking on it, we have this close. So you click on close, and so everything will be closed. So let me use close all positions. So everything is done. The next thing you need to know is setting of sell and buy limit orders. So a sell limit order is, so let's assume you are speculating the price to sell after crossing this line. You are speculating the price to sell. That is where you place your sell limit order. Or if you are speculating the price to buy after crossing this zone, after coming to this zone it will buy, you place your buy limit order. So this option is very crucial when you are going away from the charts. To place the sell and buy limit order, you click on this icon here. So clicking on this icon here, you can see buy limit order. So you drag this line to your best position, or the position you are speculating. So in my case, you can so let me just put it on this side. So you now click on this blue icon here. So clicking on it, I place my limit order. Of course, you can now set your stop loss on a desired position and take profit on a desired position. So that's it. But let me delete this sell and buy limit order. So if you want to place sell limit order now, so you click again on this option and drag. So once you drag, so as you can see, when the price is upwards, it's buy limit order. But once you drag it above the price, it becomes sell limit order. Hope you can see. So this is it. So see on this option, it becomes a sell limit order. So you can set it like that. So that is the best way. Or if you are speculating the price again to continue selling after crossing this point, let's say the price will sell at 49.95, you want your entry there and you will be away from the charts, so you can still place it. So you switch it on this side. So you click on this side to change to sell stop. So in this case it will be sell stop. So that is one way of it. So once price crosses this line, so once you place a buy limit order and the price drops to this particular point, and the price drop to this particular point, the moment it touches the line, it will be triggered. So automatically it's like you have entered a buy entry. So that is the simplest way of explaining this. On this other side, we have this icon here. So this icon here is very important if you want to hide your sell and buy orders. So not orders, so I don't know what I will call it, but as you can see, so this is very crucial in case you have kids. So your kids won't enter position anyhowly, or so it's very crucial. So you just hide this way. So another thing you need to know is adding of indicators. So adding of indicators, you can click on this icon here. So clicking on this icon here, you see indicators, add indicators. So if you trade with using indicators, you can add these indicators. So but on my case, I trade price action, so these indicators won't help me. But let me add moving average. Okay, save. So that is it. So our moving average is added now, as you can see. But on my case, I don't use this, so I'll just delete it. Just delete it because I use price action. So now otherwise you can use you can right click on the screen. You see these multiple options here. So this one is used to add lines, trend lines, and etc. So for price action traders, I think this is very crucial. On this other side, you can change the settings of your. On this other side, you can change your charts from candlestick to line chart. So clicking on this side, we have line chart. So if I click on this, you can see we have bar, candlestick, line chart, and these ones. So now, so you can click on line chart. So our chart will be changed to line chart. But personally, I use candlesticks. So that's it. Or on this other side, you can use to add indicators. So now another thing you need to know is the numbers on the left side of the screen. So these numbers represents pips. So what is a pip? So I'll make a different video to explain about it. So the movement from this side 06 to 16, that's 100 pips on gold. So these lines represent pips. Okay, so now so on this history side, you can see the history of trades you've placed in the past previous days. So on this side, you can change the pair you traded to, if you want to do to analyze your positions. On this side, you can see multiple options. On this side, you can track your exact date. So this is very important. So if this video helped you, like, subscribe, and to my channel, so that YouTube can push this video to more beginners. I also offer free mentorship and beginner lessons. So if you are interested, you can look for my description and join our Telegram and WhatsApp group. Otherwise,